Good morning. Today you have to do your workbook page number 14. Now in workbook page number 14 there is circle the correct letters. Circle the correct letters. You have to put the date with pencil. Now see, there are some pictures. You have to find out the first sound of these vocabulary. The first sound of this is called initial sound, or you can say first sound. Okay, so we will call it initial sound, the first sound. When you are reading a word, the first sound is called initial sound. Okay, now for example it is tree. Tree starts from which sound? T, p, or n? It starts from n, t, 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 t. Tree, t, tree. What is this? Apple. Apple starts from s, no, e, no, apple, apple. So you will just circle the sound. Now it's penguin. Penguin starts from which sound? No. No. It starts from sound penguin. Penguin. Now what is this? This is a nest. Nest starts from which sound? From this one? No. From this one? No. It starts from nest. Nest. What is this? This is sun. Sun. Here we go. It is sun. Now circle it. What is this? It is igloo. Igloo starts from which sound? Igloo. Igloo. So circle the sound. Okay? I hope you can do it now. Thank you, nursery. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. See you next week.